Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys my super quick and easy cream cheese chicken chili recipe. This is something that you can make in either a crock pot or an instant pot, but tonight I'm going to show you how to make it in the instant pot, and this is what you will need. You will need 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 can of drained black beans, any brand will do, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 1 can of corn with the juice still. You will also need a pack of ranch seasoning and any type of cheese that is your favorite. I prefer the Mexican blend, as well as 2 to 3 frozen chicken breasts. And at the end, you will be adding in 1 block of cream cheese. And that is all you need. So just go ahead and add everything into the Instant Pot. And this half cup of water is optional. It is not needed. After that, I just go ahead and mix everything in. Put the lid back on, make sure it is on sealing. And then go to manual and put the timer for 25 minutes, and that's it. Now once the timer goes off, you can do a slow release. I waited about 5 minutes before I did my release. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get a plate and 2 forks so that I can shred the chicken breasts individually. Then once you are finished shredding them, go ahead and put them back into the pot and stir them all around, and you will add the cream cheese and the cilantro. Alright guys, so that is it for this recipe. In the end, I went ahead and I just topped it off with my favorite cheese, as well as a side of tortilla chips. You can add more cilantro if you would like, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in a couple of days with a new video. Bye!